So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Aarti Drug share. So we know that Aarti Drug since past few days, we have not seen much movement in the stocks, even though the consolidation was present. So little downtrend was seen in the stock. So many people are asking questions regarding Aarti Drugs. So what can be done, whether we can hold or have a exit. So clearly you need to understand one important thing. So the quarter results are also declared, that is the September ended result. So clearly you can see very good result was posted by the company, and also we have discussed that we need to hold this particular stock, and we discussed one important level where we can add, that was the 700 rupees level that we have discussed in the telegram. So even though it has given a downtrend, so that may be the temporary movement. So since market, even though it is giving a little bit of good uptrend, that is up move is seen, but this particular stock, we know that some negative trend, again uptrend, again negative. So overall we are seeing a flat movement in the stock. So we'll discuss the volume analysis. So clearly we'll understand what can be the next possible targets on the technical charts. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So if you see the current market price of Aarti Drugs, so clearly you can see it is near the 647 rupees, and today also we have seen almost minus 1.21% downtrend. So if you see the almost from 30 October, so you can see not much movement was seen. So even though it was trying to go up, again downtrend was seen, again up. So since the past, we can say 3 to 4 sessions, we are seeing only a little bit of flat movement is present, that is either 2% up or 1% down. So at any point of time, again it may start its journey, because if you see the quarter results, so let me show you that, so you'll understand clearly how the results were posted by the company. So if you see the quarter results, so you can see the revenue has increased almost 21.07%. If you see net income has increased almost 132.95%, diluted EPS 132.56, so net profit margin 92.32%. So overall you can see very good result was posted by the company. So you need to understand another important thing, that whenever any company is posting extraordinary results, so we don't see that much amount of movement. So it depends on company to company, it depends on promoter to promoter, so how they are, we can say, the operations are going, so operator activity, so how it is based. So whenever any downtrend stock, so let's say any stock has posted negative results, so it doesn't imply that it should start moving continuously down. So it depends. So this is a pharmaceutical drug based company, so we know that there may be expectations that in the coming quarter the results may little bit of decline may be present as compared to the current profits. So on that basis we may not see that much amount of heavy movement, but this is a quality stock and it's a best add, that is at this particular level, definitely you can add this particular stock, especially for long term. So if you see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 3rd November, so we have seen almost very less percentage of deliveries. You can see combined, if you see deliverable volume, you are seeing around 24 above only. So if you see traded activity, if you see traded quantity, so that is getting reduced. We can say that is little bit a better condition as compared to in the current market situation. So the US elections are also currently ongoing. So tomorrow we need to see how the markets also will react, since little bit of positive sentiment was present and weekly expiry is also approaching. So definitely little bit of fluctuations may be, that is volatility may be present in the market. So percentage delivery wise, you're seeing little bit of less quantities present and the traded quantity is reducing, which is a slightly, we can say, good condition for the company. So one important thing that it is that has affected the company, that is on technically, if we analyze Aarti Drugs, so we have seen the money flow index, so that is either it used to trade in the overbought region, so many times we have seen it used to be in the overbought region. So now it is settling down, so that is very good opportunity for people who have invested in this particular stock. So it is giving an opportunity to add at this current levels, because again you may not get this level to add this particular particular stock. So you can see RSI as well as money flow index almost same, 36.4 as well as 36. So we know that 20 below is called oversold and 70 above is called overbought. So earlier it used to trade in the overbought region, so now it has approached the oversold. Again, it is a very good confirmation that the stock consolidation movement, as well as technically we are seeing that any point of time the bullishness that was missing in the stock may start arriving in the coming sessions. Okay, next comes the returns that it has provided. So if you see in 1 week, so this is the main important thing. So 1 week, so either we although we have seen little bit of downtrend, so overall the positive movement has balanced the downtrend, and we're seeing only minus 4.70% negative returns in 1 week, and 1 month you can see almost it has lost 20%. So that is nominal. So since even the little correction was seen after the huge uptrend, so that is well and good. So opportunity to add, we should not avoid those chances. So when you're getting an opportunity in quality stocks, definitely you can give a try. So rest of all, 10 years, that is nothing too much to discuss. We have already seen more than huge returns it has provided, that is 3,136% returns, and rest of all, we can see almost 380% returns in the all time frames. So now we'll go to the technical charts. We'll see what can be the next possible levels. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1 day chart. So 1 day chart, clearly you can see continuous downtrend since many days. You can count. So 3 days here, again you can see here almost 1 week continuous downtrend. So clearly you can see money flow index has also dropped, and it has touched the oversold region, and little bit of bounce back was seen. So even though any sort of movement was not seen in the stock, you're seeing the money flow index is jumping. So it is showing that clearly the buying is taking place at the lower level. So the volume is always, we have not seen any major volumes here. So even though whenever we compare with the earlier session, so that volume is not being generated. So the negative volume is slightly reducing. So clearly you can see when this doji type of candle is formed, so you can see the volume. So you can see little green color volume is present. So that is addition has been taking place at each and every fall. So that what we have seen as a consolidation phase. So nothing much to panic. So if you are getting a chance to invest, so tomorrow if any sort of correction happens, and if you are getting a chance to invest at the 640 rupees level, so definitely you can have a try. 640 is a very good add for this particular stock, especially for long term. Okay, so don't do any sort of selling even if you're having loss. So that is not a good strategy. So if you're exiting at loss, it's waste of investing. So you need to understand that since the quarter results are also good, and it is a very good stock with the promoter having very good holding, as well as in various institutions are also having very standard holding, and it can give very good returns in the coming future. So it may take time. So that is what the patience is required. So in 1 week chart also we can see the same downtrend was seen. So that was when we have seen the bonus issue happened. So after that we have seen little bit of downtrend. So currently little bit of in between the money flow index is seen in 1 week chart. So add this particular stock in 640 rupees level or 645 if you get a chance, hold it for a long term. So this is what we can discuss about Aarti Drugs. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe, and if you're not joined the Telegram, join that as well. So until then, take care. Bye bye.